Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you the best ways to record Netflix videos on your PC. While Netflix doesn't officially allow recording, we'll explore some popular methods. Please note that using third-party tools may violate Netflix's terms of service. 1. Xbox Game Bar, Windows 10. Windows 10 comes with a built-in tool called Xbox Game Bar that lets you record your screen. Open Netflix and press Win+G. Click the record button to start. Stop recording when done. The video will be saved in the Videos Captures folder. 2. OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free screen recording tool with high-quality capture options. Download OBS Studio and set up a display capture. Record Netflix content by clicking Start Recording. Save the file when done. 3. Premium screen recording software, e.g., Camtasia, ScreenFlow. Paid software like Camtasia offers advanced recording and editing features. Install the software, select Full Screen Recording. Record Netflix videos and save the file. 4. Video capture hardware, e.g., Elgato HD60S. For high-quality recording, use capture hardware like the Elgato HD60S. Connect your PC to the Elgato device. Record Netflix content using the provided software. 5. Chrome Extensions, Video Download Helper. For browser-based Netflix viewing, you can use extensions like Video Download Helper. Install the extension, play Netflix in Chrome. Capture the video using the extension. Conclusion: these are the top methods to record Netflix videos on a PC. Keep in mind that recording Netflix content may violate their terms of service, so use caution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips.